Hi, I'm Andrew, and today I'm here to show you how to perform a perfect Auspex join. First of all, we need to make sure we have the right equipment. PPE, Auspex pipe, pipe cutters, Auspex fittings, go, no-go gauge, Auspex jaw, and approved tooling. The Auspex hand ratchet tool, Rothenberger compact twin turbo, and Romax 4000. First step is to cut the pipe straight. It's important we use a good quality cutter and that it's a nice 90-degree straight cut. Once we cut the pipe, we need to remove the protection cap from the fitting and insert the fitting into the pipe, all the way through until the pipe is visible through the witness hole of the fitting. The next step is to select our jaws. Today we're using the 16mm Auspex jaws for the compact TT tool. Insert the jaws into the jaw housing and ensure that the locking pin is fully engaged. Open the Auspex jaws and place the fitting into the jaw mouth. Once we have done that, simply press and hold the button and the tool will complete its press cycle. Squeeze the jaws to release the fitting. Alternatively, a hand ratchet tool can be used. This has the added benefit of a ratchet feature. This allows a join to be made with short movements of the handle in confined spaces. After a joint's been made, it's important to use a go, no-go gauge. This will pass over a crimp fitting, however will not pass over an uncrimp fitting. This will ensure that your ratchet crimp tool is correctly calibrated. And there you have it, a perfectly executed Auspex join.